Hello. I'm assuming you're here for your appointment, correct? I see. Let me check the schedule real quick. You're the client I was excited for. How so? Well, you mentioned you needed quite a bit of work. Let's see. Tight muscles on the lower region, near your glutes and hamstrings. I see. Well, needless to say, I do have the hands to loosen you right up. Alright, everything checks out. Please, right this way. Down the hall to the left, door number 4. You have full privacy in there. You could strip down to whatever you're comfortable to. And there's a button you can press near the table. Not too often when I have such a gorgeous girl come in here. But of course, I need to be professional. She's ready. Just making sure you're ready in there. Alright, perfect. Alright. Yeah, it's okay to cover with the towel for now. I'm assuming you're in your underwear. Alright. Let me just stretch my hands for a bit. Well, I have quite a grip from years of experience. Needless to say, it's really good to stretch quite often. If anything, stretching will prevent your glutes from locking up. I will express my views for stretching later. Alright, so I plan on using this oil. It'll make for a smoother glide. Yeah, it's a glide, so you can get deep in your muscles. If there's a lot of friction on the skin, it'll be very difficult, if not impossible, to go so deep and so smoothly, if you catch my drift. Alright. I'm making sure is all. It's always great to have my clients know what they're getting into. Let me just start on your calves for now. Alright, just relax. Let me just feel with what I'm working with. Your calves are quite loose and nice. I don't feel much tension there. Always tell me if I'm too hard on you, alright? I've been told I can carry quite a grip bit tight actually. I can tell you don't stretch much. Not as much as you should. Well, I can imagine your upper hamstring and glutes are probably really, really tight then. You know, I may need to work a little extra on those. Now, I'm going to be a little rough on you. If it's too much, please tell me, alright? You're doing so well. I know it's slightly uncomfortable, but it's good to get these knots out. I already feel them loosening. That wasn't so bad, wasn't it? You did great. So, I'm gonna pull up your towel, okay? Well, I will say this area can be quite sensitive. There's a lot of nerves in these regions that can be associated with ticklish pain if there's some inflammation. But a big concern is arousal. Now, again, if there is any discomfort, concerns, let me know, alright? Good to hear. I'm gonna start with your upper thigh. Shouldn't be too sensitive, alright? Your skin feels amazing to rub against. Again, try to keep it professional. A little bit of a knot here. Just relax for me, darling. Alright? Good. Good girl. The pain is temporary. That's it. Look at that. Your muscle knots came out surprisingly. They don't usually go so quickly. We're going to go to the glutes, and there's a lot of muscles connecting. Which to say, I'm going to be going quite deep in certain areas, depending on the location needed to be worked on. Again, if you feel quite sensitive to such regions, you may deal with it while I work it out or express your concerns. But needless to say, I'll mention once again, you're in good hands. I will also need to move your panties a bit to the side. So let's start here. see. That's, instantly I can tell she's experiencing some type of sensitivity. She's breathing really heavy. Alright, you're doing okay, right? I am just making sure. I know this can be quite sensual, to say the least. Let's just ease my way in there to feel the surrounding tissue. I can tell quite a response. Are you sure for me to continue? Continue. Are you sure? I can tell you're getting quite heated. Well, it's quite a normal response, but many patients don't want to continue on such areas. But I do feel knots in between this region right here. Really, really sensitive spots. You enjoy the sensation really now. Well, let me get this little knot out. Then I can provide a proper massage. Then, if you're really, really wanting to enjoy such sensation.